To use an Oyster card. Start by purchasing one from a ticket machine or a newsagent in London. You can also buy it online and have it delivered to your home. The card costs a deposit of £5, which you will get back when you return the card. When you get your Oyster card, you need to top it up with some money. This is called loading credit onto your card. You can do this at a ticket machine or at a newsagent. The minimum amount you can top up is £5. To pay with your Oyster card, simply touch the card to the yellow reader at the start of your journey. This is called touching in. You will see a green light and hear a beep when you have successfully touched in. When you reach your destination, touch your Oyster card to the yellow reader again. This is called touching out. This tells the system where you ended your journey and calculates the fare. If you are taking a bus, you only need to touch in when you get on the bus. You do not need to touch out. The fare will be deducted from your Oyster card automatically. It is also possible to use your Oyster card on the London Underground, Overground, DLR, and some national rail services. The fare will be calculated based on the zones you travel through. To get the best value from your Oyster card, make sure to touch in and out correctly. And always check your balance before you travel. You can also register your Oyster card online to protect your credit if you lose your card. If you use your Oyster card regularly, consider setting up an automatic top-up. This way your card will never run out of credit. You can also use a contactless payment card to pay for your travel. This works in the same way as an Oyster card. In summary, to use an Oyster card, buy one, top it up with credit, touch in at the start of your journey, and touch out at the end. Always check your balance and consider registering your card for extra protection. This way you can travel easily and conveniently around London using your Oyster card.